Hey folks, welcome back. In this video, I will be talking to you about how to do a mental detox before you seek to adopt a successful mindset. When you get started on this journey of health, fitness, weight loss, whatever it is, you start with a big bang and you're all super excited about your journey. You just get pumped up. One fine day, you just wake up and say, no, I am going to do this. And you want to achieve more and more. You get started and you want to achieve more and more and more and more. But the most important thing is you've got to have the right mindset. Because, when you're on this journey, you will be facing a lot of hurdles. And if you don't have the right mindset, you are going to sabotage everything. So in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about, what are the things that you really have to do, and what are the kind of mindsets, and you've got to figure out whether it's one of those mind chatters that are there in your mind. And therefore, I believe strongly that for you to be successful in this journey, you have to have a clear mindset. A toxic mindset is not going to help you, and therefore it is important for you to clear that toxic mindset. For the longest period, a lot of people have been talking continuously about detoxing your body, do this, do that. But I strongly believe that detoxing your mind is more important than detoxing this video. Detoxing the body. Hi guys, my name is Dinaz, and today I will be talking to you about how to clear your mind and how to detox your mind rather than detoxing your body. So, the first toxic thought that you have is that others are to blame for your failures. It's very, very easy for you to pass on the buck to somebody else. This is the biggest problem. The problem is we see that there is a problem somewhere else, but actually there is a problem within you. You feel that others are going to sabotage your success. So you're on this journey and you started exercise and you're eating healthy and you're meditating, but your mind is constantly chattering that others are to blame. Others are sabotaging your success. And now you feel absolutely out of control. You feel that whatever you set out to do is not happening because now you're absolutely out of control. It's very comforting for yourself to put the blame on yourself, but or on somebody else. But the reality is that you are to blame for everything. Now you become like a victim. You want sympathy. And probably some people might give you sympathy, but that's not the reality. The reality is you have to change your mindset. You have to get rid of that mental block that is holding you back. You have to get rid of that mindset that you are sabotaging your own success, that somebody else is sabotaging your success. And when you get rid of that, you will be able to be successful in this journey. And therefore, it is very important for you to be aware of the mind chatter that you have and to convert the negative mind chatter into a positive mind chatter. And that way, when you do that, you're going to be able to be very successful in this journey. Okay? Another problem that a lot of people have is, I can't be helped. I have this problem, I have that problem, and I can't be helped. You're constantly telling yourself that you can't be helped. And this mindset assumes that you think that you have to figure it all out on your own. But the reality is you don't have to figure it out on your own. There's lots of people that are going to help you. There are coaches, there are trainers, there's information available on the net. You can do whatever it takes. But you have to change that mindset. You think that you have to be spoon-fed for every step. So you ask too many questions. I want you to know that the people who ask a lot of questions are seeking for answers outside of them. But the reality is all the answers to all your questions are lying within yourself. So it's high time you wake up and learn to look for the answers within yourself. It's the important point here is dig deep within your soul. When you learn to dig deep within your soul, you will get the answers. You feel that only you can fix, that you can't fix the problem, that only somebody else can fix it for you. But if you dig deep, you will be able to fix your own problems. And it's very important for such people to surrender to a mentor. When you learn to surrender to a mentor, then you will get the solutions to all your problems easily. But if you go to a mentor, and if you doubt your mentor and you feel that find excuses in your mentor and find faults in your mentor, then you won't be successful. So remember that it's very important that you change that mindset that you can't be helped. You can be helped provided you go seek the right help and look for answers also within you. Another set of people are, I don't deserve to be successful. You take it upon yourself that your destiny is like that. It's your karma only to be overweight. It's your karma to don't have time to take care of yourselves. That's not true. Leave karma out of this journey. Your mind and body fitness is all about yourself. It's not about your karma. You create your own destiny. You create your own karma. And such people are very stuck in their minds, and therefore failure comes to them very easily. Another set of people are, people think that you are not perfect. I am not perfect, and therefore I'm not getting the results. There is no such thing as perfect and imperfect. We are all made in our own ways. We all have our own strengths. We are all geared up to be successful. We are all perfect. So you have to change that negative mind code and tell yourself that I am perfect, I am beautiful from inside, I am strong, I am healthy. And when you change that negative mindset into a positive mindset, then you are going to be extremely successful. Another set of people are a set of people who I need to change tomorrow. There is no such thing as tomorrow. It is today, it's now, or it's never. You better learn to get up to start taking a massive action. You will get the results provided you start taking massive action towards your own journey. The moment you start taking massive action towards your own journey, you will be extremely successful. And therefore, it is very, very important for you not to procrastinate. It is here and it is now. A lot of people are under the impression that weight loss is not everything. Hello? Your health lies in your own hands. Today, if you don't take action and don't take care of your health, and God forbid, and may nothing happen to anyone, God forbid if something happens to you, you will live the rest of your life with regret. I'm going to share something really like a harsh reality. If you don't take care of your excess body weight, and if you get a heart attack and you die, the chapter ends there. Only the people who are left behind are the ones who will be suffering. But if you get a stroke, if you get a heart attack, or if you don't, or if you become serious, or if you get COVID-19, then you are the one who's suffering. You won't be able to achieve anything in your life because you have not taken the responsibility of yourself, of your own health. Your health lies in your own hands. Therefore, being responsible is very important. So I want each and every one of you today, after you finish watching this video, to get up and start taking action. You don't have to choose me as your mentor. Go find somebody else, but choose somebody as your mentor, because if you are watching this video, you are probably having a mindset which is sabotaging your own health. Your health lies in your own hands. Wake up, get up, start taking action, because it's just not life, it's the quality of life that you all should be leading. Thank you.